Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're looking at some of the worst dental plaque that I've ever seen. Well, before we get started, let's look at some examples of dental scraping and plaque removal. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell if you like what you've seen. Also, check out our dental whitening pens. There's no more convenient and affordable way to whiten your teeth. So here are the before images of a patient who skipped toothbrushing for 20 years. And here is the after. Wow, what an improvement. However, I wonder if they will really be able to save those teeth. What do you think? Alright folks, here are a few more removal clips. Stick around for more information about the whitening pens. Hey folks, would you like whiter teeth but don't want to overpay? Then we recommend this Ultimate Whitening Kit from Amazon. It comes with 2 whitening pens and a 5-minute whitening system with dental quality gel and mouth tray. It's the professional grade that dentists use, but at a fraction of the cost. Check out the Amazon link below.